Today we've launched the GT250R. It is called the Big Boy. We like to call it the Big Boy. The uniqueness of the product is, the lovely power that the bike has, the weight, the balance, and of course the design. I mean, if you can see behind me, it's a beautiful design. It's a very well-made product, and I'm confident that this product is going to hit the market very well. We have lots of features, like adjustable exterior basic. The design is the uniqueness. The super sport riding position. You have the adjustable pedals. Like you can adjust your foot pegs according to your height, so it makes riding even more easier. So these sort of features are going to be the uniqueness of a product which our competition does not have. We do have 250 cc's before us. Honda has, Kawasaki has. So we are not the first, but we are definitely one of the best. We launched this model last month in Mumbai, and now we are launching this in Hyderabad. Tomorrow we'll be launching it in Bangalore. So national launch has already been done. We've already opened bookings. We've received a phenomenal response. We are very happy about it, that this kind of response we're getting for this bike. And considering all the aspects, I'm looking at a very high number by March. No, at this point of time, we only have it in India. That is how we have our contract with S&T. S&T Motors has given us an exclusive license for assembling, manufacturing, and retailing in India. Therefore, we are selling these bikes in India right now. We're also looking to expand markets, but right now it's only for India, and we've launched it all over India. We have 18 dealerships. We wish to expand to 40 by end of this year. So considering that, I think I'm going to have a good volume going further. For Hyderabad, the ex-showroom price will be 2,80,000, and on the road it will go roughly about 3,20,000. So considering all the taxes, that is what the price should be.